Welcome back everybody to another episode of Dirt Bros, and today we're doing 10 bike and tool products to show you and to help me. This is my friend Simon. Hi. And this is my workshop. Welcome.
Hi, my name is Simon, and today we'll be looking at Masterlink pliers. So Masterlink pliers are a tool that disconnects the chain. But what is a Masterlink? A Masterlink is two parts that connect the chain together.
These are Allen keys, but not only are they just Allen keys, these are T Allen keys. So a T looks like a T, but then it's always good to get Allen keys that look like an L. So these are L because they look like an L. These are really good they're really portable, so that's a good thing to keep in your car. But then when you have a workshop, T-heads wrenches are the way to go. If you also can, get a lovely stand like this.
And this is a utility knife. They're really nice for opening boxes or cutting a zip tie off your bike. This is a floor pump. Anytime you have a bike or a workshop, make sure you have a floor pump.
This is a spoke tensioner. Spoke tensioners, yes, they're small. Spoke tensioners are used to drive your spokes straight so that your wheel moves straight as you're rolling around. Then, the pedal tool. Pedal tools are very useful. Get your pedals off your bikes, man. Get one of these and it's super, super useful. Brake pads. These brake pads are for mineral oil brake pads, also known as hydraulic disc brakes. These disc brake pads by Shimano, you can buy whatever brand you want. But then there's some of you that have brakes like these that touch your rim. It's always good to have a spare pair of all of those, depending on what kind of bike you have. Tube and tire levers. A tube, you're gonna want a tube on your rides, in your workshop. Even if you have to repair a friend's tube, you're gonna want to have a spare inner tube and tire levers. You can get a tire off without tire levers, but in case, it's always good to have a good pair of tire levers. These are wrenches. Yes, wrenches are one of the most useful tools you're gonna have in your workshop and in your car. Always have those.
Safety glasses. Safety glasses are always nice to have when, especially while riding, but also when you're building wooden ramps. Spare pedal. They're always nice to have in your workshop, in your car, just in case if your friend's or yours breaks. A toothbrush. It's always nice to have a toothbrush when fixing parts on your bike or cleaning out stuff. And pliers. Pliers are really nice because you can pick out small things that are in your bike, or there's got these little clamping things, and you can clamp stuff together.
A vise. Now you're probably thinking, why a vise? Well, a vise is always going to come in handy. It's came in handy for me many times, and I've asked, why would I need a vise? I have found out it's very, very useful. What is a vise? A vise is a clamping device. Rhymes. Well, these are handlebars and they're clamped in tight. I can cut them down freely. Now, if you're like me, you're gonna want a bike stand. I'm always working on bikes, fixing friends' bikes, even fixing my own bike or fixing just bikes. This is useful if you have a workshop, but not so portable. You can always buy a portable stand, but this one is a workshop stand.
Thanks for watching this other episode of Dirt Bros.
And like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.